homogeneous differential equations. Let us take some functions. Let f1 of xy is equal to y square minus 2xy, f2 of xy is equals to 2x plus 3y, f3 of xy is equal to sine of y by x, and f4 of xy is equal to cos x plus sine y. Now, if we replace x and y by lambda x and lambda y respectively in the above functions, for any non-zero constants lambda, we get f1 of lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda square into y square minus 2xy, which is equal to lambda square into f1 of x comma y. f2 of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda of 2x plus 3y, which is written as lambda into f2 of x comma y. f3 of lambda x lambda y is equal to sine of lambda y by lambda x, which is equal to sine of y by x, which is lambda power 0 into f3 of x comma y, and f4 of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to cos of lambda x plus sine of lambda y, which is not equal to lambda power n into f4 of x comma y for any natural numbers belongs to capital N. We observe that the functions f1, f2, f3 can be written in the form f of lambda x comma lambda y, which is equal to lambda power n into f of x comma y, but f4 cannot be written in this form. A function f of xy is said to be homogeneous function of degree n if f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda power n of f of xy for any non-zero constant lambda. We can observe that the example what we discussed, f1, f2, f3 are homogeneous functions of degree 2, 1 and 0 respectively, but f4 is not a homogeneous function. Again, f1 of x comma y can be rewritten as f1 of xy is equal to x square into h1 of y by x, or f1 of xy is equal to y square into h2 of x by y. Similarly, f2 of xy can be written as x power 1 into h3 of y by x, or f2 of xy is equal to y power 1 into h4 of x by y, and f3 of xy can be written as x power 0 into h5 of y by x. But the function f4 of xy is not equal to x power n of h6 of y by x for any n belongs to capital N, or f4 of x comma y is not equal to y n of h7 of x by y for any n belongs to natural numbers. A differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to f of xy is said to be homogeneous if f of xy is a homogeneous function of degree 0. To solve a homogeneous differential equation of the type dy by dx is equal to f of xy, which is equal to g of y by x, we make the substitution y is equal to vx. Now differentiating y is equal to vx with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now substituting the value of dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx in the equation dy by dx is equal to g of y by x, we get v plus x into dv by dx is equal to g of v. That is, x into dv by dx is equal to g of v minus v. Separating the variables in this equation, we get dv by g of v minus v is equal to dx by x. Integrating both the sides, we get integration of dv by g of v minus v is equal to integration of dx by x plus c. This equation gives general solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to f of xy when we replace v by y by x. If the homogeneous differential equation is in the form dx by dy is equal to f of xy, where f of xy is a homogeneous function of degree 0, then we make substitution x by y is equal to v, that is x is equal to vy, and proceed further to find general solution by writing dx by dy is equal to f of xy, which is equal to h of x by y.